As you can see, moving the car from one place to another is not a problem at all. For this, you only need vehicles like a Miles Eurolift truck, which can even pick up the car and prepare it for moving to another place in less than 60 seconds. One of the great strengths of these wood chip tipping vehicle, in addition to the outstanding quality and durability, is the hydraulic swivel roof, which can be opened and closed in a matter of seconds. By actuating a control slide, so the driver does not have to climb onto the vehicle to cover the load. His role is less, and he only participates in opening and closing the side doors. Whether you work in road construction, hand aggregates, or are in agriculture, this is the type of trailer that help you increase production, save time and money. Spreading and unload material on a driveway without getting out of the truck has never been so easy. The Hammer 180 is a side lifter dedicated to permanent mounting on a truck chassis. During operation, its support legs extend in a single, diagonal direction to be placed at ground level.